support setup tasks. Okay, so here's our first video around support details. Right, so there's a number of setup tasks here, right? And let me go to NetSuite and show you. So there's one of them. So you go setup, support, case statuses. Now you see these ones here. I mean, to me they make sense, and I'm happy to take them. So I'm just going to accept these defaults. Right, then the next one you have is priorities, types, origin types. Right, so case priority list, high, medium, low. I'm happy with that as well. Like I said, I'm setting up a simple support, not very complex. Case type list, questions, concerns, or problems. I'm happy with that as well. Origin types, web, email, phone, other. So I'm happy with all of those. Obviously, if you want to add any origins or any types, very simple. Basically, give it a name, description if you want. But as you can see, really simple to set up any new of these support setup tasks. There's also one for issue management, issues, which I'm not going to use at the moment. My workflow is quite simple, as I've mentioned a couple of times.